Well, Diamond's had quite the day today. She had a little tussle last night. Got a gash on her legs. Had to go get some stitches today. And she's wearing the cone of shame. Oh, well. She can't lick that wound. It's... yeah, not too good. Well, she's doing good. She was a good girl. Yeah. She's in the middle out of it right now. Poor thing. Alright, well, I'll keep you updated. She's got to wear that for a bit. Then we get her stitches out in 5 days. It's right there under... oh, I don't know if we can see that. That's the right one. But yeah, it's the left one. It got all messed up. Poor thing. Oh, she keeps getting all eye boogies up. Wiped it like 15 times already. Oh, yeah. Oh. Well, we're gonna let her go to sleep. Alright, she's fine.